one of our storerooms. And as you can see, from right down from all our herbs and everything, right through to flour, bags of flour, and all our bread. Today we have the Morehu's favourite, boiler and fried bread. Fried bread. And this has only just recently been done by the guys. Yeah, we had the army boys helping us. So this is what they did. They did all this, and I said to them, "Oh, gee, I hope there's enough for us tonight." Yeah, and this has got one of our storerooms. Out here towards, there's a stick there. Yeah. Yes. This is where the hub of all the work that gets done. As you've seen, we have the guys that do the big pots that you've just been watching, and this is his area here. Everything is all out here. And then we have the young lady that does our towels, tea towels. This is her area here, boiling. Yeah. Now we're getting to the heart of the complex, Kii Koopu, and we're coming into the boiler room. Come inside. It's like they're from the railways. You can feel the heat. Hey, feel the heat. It's designed as a train. They were clever guys, and all of it donated, and a lot of the money was George Kiriama, our portador, but he's passed on now. But he had a lot to do with this. Yeah. And the Tai Happy whānaus, because we all spoke about this a long time, and I held on to those memories. As you see, this here will supply the hot water right through down to the offices. So once this is going, you can have showers till, all day, all night, right into the morning. This doesn't stop. This area here is our veggie department, our mussel department. This is where most of the hub of the work gets done. Yeah. And we're always really heat. That's Beamish. Beamish Kingy. This is Alo. Yeah. And this is it. This is our area of work, our mahi. And we all come from all over. We're all from the Paa, but we've all moved away. And 4 times a year we come back to serve our people, ringa waiwa, the hands and feet, the servants to the people. This was a koha given by Ngāti Tūwhare Toa, Matua Tumanako. By Matua Tumanako, and he saw me today as I was sawing these neck chops, sweating away, and I was having some real problems out with a handsaw and trying to do my work. And he goes, "Oh son, one moment." He gives one ring. He says, "Right, I found one." So they borrowed my waka, that bomb over there, borrowed my waka, went into town, and they picked it up from Benchmark. Brought it back. Here you go, son. And it took me 3 hours by hand to do 3 boxes of neck chops. The other 3 boxes was 30 minutes. The name that I came about was my Uncle Cutty. He's taken off. It's typical when there's a camera around, he's gone. But it was actually his whānau e Ringatu in the Tūhoe district. And when the dad came, his grandmother actually came down to challenge his mana. And when she came down, she fell in love with this place and never left. But she had to go in the end, and she said to the matua, "Oh look, I have to go back home." And the matua said to her, "Oh, that's all right, dear. You'll be here forever and ever." And she was scratching her head. So Uncle was saying, "What do you mean?" He named the complex after her, Kii Koopu. You'll be forever and ever. And that's why Uncle is here today, in honour of that. Yeah, he's got a beautiful story.
There you go, whānau. That was Rangi Rawhiti, and thank you very much for that awesome tour.
Kia ora, brother, that's all right.
It's been an honour and a privilege to actually have you on board with us here on the Morehu channel. And I know our Morehu out there are just going to lap this up and enjoy it. So thank you very much once again. Tēnā koe aho. So the whānau Morehu out there, thank you very much for tuning in. No doubt we'll get you more interviews while we're down here at the Ratana Paa 2013 140th year celebrations. Kia ora tātou.